What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be boxing random people inside of Animal Company. First guy, first opponent. Where is he?
Hulk smash!
You are not the Hulk. You are the bulk. And you'll better be beamed by a pulp. Come on, boy. See you, goofy. You also beam it. Oh, well.
I threw it on you. Mega smash!
Any last words? Any last words?
There I am!
You're a smart one.
I have some last words before you kill me.
Come over here. Any last words?
Before you kill me, I have a last word.
What is it?
I love my family.
Well, that's so bad. That's so sad. 'Cause I'm about to kill you. Missed. Come on. See you, Goofy. Any last words now?
I love my family.
Oh my god. The heck? You just destroyed me. I'm like, no, I'm not letting that slide.
Any last words?
No, you. 'Cause I am Plunger Man.
Any last
I was the Plunger Man. And I saved your plunger.
Any last words?
I mean, hook shot. I saved your hook shot.
No,
So you will respect me.
Any last... Wait. Wait, before you kill me.
Come on. I'm the best at beatboxing too. Nice try. Any last words? Hulk smash!
No!
He's dead.
Yeah, I have last words.
What?
Tell my family that I love them.
Well, I won't. 'Cause I'm gonna kill your family. I'm gonna kill your family next.